Dr. Martin Luther King and Rosa Parks are two iconic names in American history. Behind both was one civil rights attorney who played a vital role in the civil rights movement.
KCBD News Channel 11's Natalie Falkenberry spoke with Fred Gray at Lubbock Christian University today about his role in our history and the continued fight against injustice.
I've been a civil rights attorney for 69 years.
Fred Gray's story begins in 1930. Born into a religious family with 5 siblings, he tells us back then opportunities for starting a future as an African American were limited.
When I came up in Montgomery, born in the 30s, only about 2 good professions that African Americans could think about. One was to be a preacher, a teacher, so I decided I was going to be both.
Gray attended Alabama State College, which was segregated at the time. He says he was experiencing racial injustices firsthand.
I had to ride the buses, and I found out people were being mistreated, and I found out everything was completely segregated, so I decided in addition to being a preacher, I was then going to also become a lawyer because lawyers help people solve problems.
The only problem was African Americans weren't allowed to go to law school in Alabama, so Gray went to Cleveland, studying Ohio law by day and Alabama law by night.
And I was going to finish, come back to Alabama, pass the bar exam, and destroy everything segregated I could find.
Gray did just that, working tirelessly on notable civil rights movement cases. He brought his experience to Lubbock Christian and Texas Tech University Thursday, sharing his story.
Serving as Dr. King's first lawyer, Rosa Parks' lawyer, Claudette Carvin's lawyer, Congressman John Lewis' lawyer, the Freedom Riders, desegregated most of the schools in Alabama from kindergarten to graduate school.
Now, 69 years after he began his journey to justice.
And the struggle for equal justice continues. We still have the same basic problems of inequality and injustice.
Gray says that fight is still ongoing. Natalie Falkenberry, KCBD News Channel 11.